Shush. That's 3 lions now. 4 lions.
Oh my word. That's a brave giraffe. Me too.
The other giraffe is to come.
Yeah, the elephants will take themselves. Yeah, they will come together.
Is your baby leg doing that?
Yeah, I think it's badly injured. They're going to destroy the pet.
You can hear
More
it.
lions coming? Yeah.
Look at on the other side as well there.
Yes. We're not aware of what's going on.
Oh, yeah. Really attacking this, right? Yeah, because they cannot be so they try to get away. They find that. Shout for the elephants to come.
Elephants over there, just chilling.
Eat for nothing elephants.
Help your brother.
Wow, there are more lions coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's a deal.
Yeah. Wow. See, that's to defend his own life, and so they'll defend his own life. You see?
Oh.
Wow. Where's the baby?
The one's sitting
Let the baby now to land for it.
Oh, this one is what age?
Elephants are coming.
So the baby is down there.
Chicks the elephants.
Oh, it's already eating. It's already there.
How do you think they take down?
They're gonna chase this lion off this kill we had.
Yeah, maybe it's killing.
Shame.
Tiger.
Oh, got it.
There's a lot of food.
Damn. This is insane.
Okay, from all angles.
No, they fished.
They fisted from all angles. And this is now for them a good thing for a day or 3 days?
More than
So that was a big actual success. What will that guy do with the baby? You think he'll bring it here?
Alright guys, that was today's episode of Nat Geo Wild.
She was.
Yo.
Oh man. It's the elephant. Sorry, it's the lion's day today.
Yeah, that was a brave giraffe.
Yeah, they had 40 giraffe going alone, yeah.